Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide your name on Gmail. If you want to change how your name appears when you send emails in Gmail, this process is fairly quick and only takes a few moments inside your account settings. The goal here is to adjust the display name tied to your outgoing messages, so recipients see your preferred name instead of the current one. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once your inbox is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see the gear icon, which opens the Settings menu. Click that icon to access your Gmail settings options. A small settings panel will appear first. From there, choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where Gmail gives you more detailed controls over your account and how your messages are sent and displayed. At the top of the settings page, you'll notice several tabs. Click on Accounts and Import. This is the section where Gmail manages account-related sending options, including the name that appears on outgoing email. In the Send Mail As area, find the option labeled Edit Info and click it. This opens a small pop-up window where you can update the sender name associated with your email address. If the pop-up does not appear right away, check whether your browser is blocking pop-up windows and allow it if needed. In that pop-up screen, enter the name you want to use instead. Then select or enable that updated name so Gmail knows this is the version you want attached to your sent messages. This is the key part of the process because it changes what recipients see in the From field when they receive your emails. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check the spelling and formatting of the name you entered. If you're using this for professional communication, you may want to keep it simple and recognizable. If your goal is more privacy, choose a name format that shares less personal information while still being appropriate for your communication needs. Once the change is applied, future emails you send from that Gmail account should reflect the updated display name. Keep in mind that this changes the visible sender name, but it does not hide your actual email address unless you are using a different sending setup. And that's it. You've successfully updated the name that appears when sending emails in Gmail.